ladies, we're going to go over pages next. So let's click on pages. And as you can see, these are all the pages on your website. If you want to edit one of the pages, just click on the name. Do your edits. Let's say you want to delete this or edit this, okay? And then press update, okay? Let's go back to pages now. And we're going to press add new. Okay, and this is my new employee. Okey-dokey. I'm going to paste some text in here just so we have it. And I'm also going to put her name, Lisa Smith. Okay, we want to put her name in the image border that we created for all the pages, the lines that go above and below the name. And in order to do that, the way that I created that for you is I put that under heading 5. So always choose heading 5 for line image. Okay, and I'm going to show you that. I'm going to save the draft, and I'm going to show you that in a preview. So you'll see what happens here when you choose heading 5. Okay. And there you have it. So whenever you use heading 5, you'll have the lines above and below the name. Okay? And we don't want the writing to spread across the entire page like this. We want to have a sidebar, just like we have on the rest of the pages. For instance, if I click on principals, this is the principal sidebar. Okay? If I click on Sharon, this is still the principal sidebar. Okay? So I'm going to go back to my page and my new employee. Okay? And I'm going to go down here to where it says left sidebar. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to choose the principal sidebar. Okay? And I'm going to show you how to create those sidebars in another video. We've already got a lot of them already created, so you probably won't need to create any, but if you do, I will show you how. So we're going to choose the principal sidebar, and we're going to save the draft again. Alright, and then we're going to preview. And now you have the principal sidebar. Okay. Also, if you want to add in the banner that the principal's pages are using, go to Sharon's, let's say, okay, and we see that we're going to click on Edit Page. Okay, we're going to scroll down, and the layer slider ID is number 3. Okay. So let's go back to my new employee. Okay, and we're going to go down here, and we're going to choose layer slider, and the ID is 3. Okay, and then we're going to save the draft. Preview that. Okay, and now you have my new employee. Her name is in the heading here. Okay, you have a sidebar of principals, and you have the layer slider number 3. Okay, and we're going to go back, and we're going to add her picture right here to the left side of this writing. Okay. we're going to click right here next to the word lorem, and we're going to add in media. Okay, so we can upload an image by clicking upload files here, or if we've already previously uploaded an image, it would already be in the media library. Okay, so let's just, for now, we'll use Judy's image. Okay, and we're going to make sure it says align to the left. We don't really want it to link anywhere, so we're going to choose none. Okay, and we're going to press insert into post. Okay, as you can see, it's aligned to the left of the text, and it does look a little too close here, but that's not going to be the case on the website. So things that you see back here, like the font, let's say, for instance, that doesn't really show on the front of the website. So I'm going to press Save Draft, and we're going to preview that. Okay, and there you have it. There's the picture. As you can see, the space is put in automatically. The font is not the font that shows in the background there. Okay. And let's edit page again. Let's highlight some of this text, and we're going to make it bold. Okay. You can click that again and take away the bold. Italic, gone. Underline, gone. Colored, if you want, choose a color. This here is if you would like to add in a symbol. Okay. And this is a list, and as you can see, I pressed enter between each item. So when you highlight all three, you can choose the bullets, okay, and then they get closer together, or you can choose the numbers. So it's a numbered list or a bulletin list. Those are your choices, okay. Let's just say that you wanted to indent this one little section. So we would highlight that and choose indent. Okay, so that's indented. And this is to remove that. Okay. If you wanted to, let's say, align this text, here's left, center, right, and full. Okay. Left, center, left. Okay. And let's just say I want to make a link to Google. Okay, let's highlight the name Google. We'll click the little chain link. Okay, we'll put in the URL. We'll click Open Link in New Tab and Add Link. Okay, as you can see, it's highlighted here in purple and underlined. I'm going to save the draft. And I'll preview that for you. Okay. As you can see, here's the link, and it opens up in a new window. Alrighty, I'm going to go back and edit this page. I'll highlight that text again and break the link. Okay. this here is just a horizontal line. So if you want to make a line in between anything, you can. Also, if you noticed that, I'm going to show you the preview here. That this text is a little too close to here, okay? Working with WordPress is a little bit tricky with that kind of thing, so you just kind of have to play around with that a little bit, and you can just press enter and see if that helps. Okay, and there's your space. If it's too much space, you can also bring it back a little bit and press shift and enter at the same time. Okay. And that should help the spacing issue. Okay, and let's go back one more time. And we'll go over everything. So you need to have the name of the page. You need to have all of your content within here. Okay, you need to choose heading 5 for the name. You need to align your image to the left, and you got that from here, add media. Okay. You need to choose a left sidebar, and you choose principles for this one. Okay. You don't really need to worry about these things, okay, right now. And the layer slider ID is 3. Okay. The other place to get the layer slider ID would be under layer slider. So if you click on that, here are all the ID numbers of the banners that we created. Okay. So we go back. Okay, and that's it. And once you have it already done, you can either save it as a draft and preview it. When you're happy with it, you press publish. Okay, I'm going to actually move it to the trash. And here it is in the trash. I'm going to check it and delete permanently. Okay, and that's it for Pages.